Okay, introduction to inequalities. These are the symbols for the inequalities. The first one is less than, which means smaller. And I kind of remember that that one is less than because if you kind of like open it up a little bit, it almost looks like the letter L. So less than starts with L. So that's how I distinguish between these. If it looks like a little L that's squished down, it's less than. And if that one's less than, then the other one is greater than. And then you have, which means larger, and then you have equal, which is the same. So what you want to do when you're comparing these numbers is you want to make sure they have the same number of digits, and if they do not, you want to put zeros in the front, not in the back, but in the front like this. So you've got 0, 2 and 3, 3. Now they each have 2 digits. So then you look at the first digits, and you see that 0 is smaller than 3, so that would be less than. 94 and 77 have the same number of digits, so just look at the first numbers. 9 is bigger than 7, so it's greater than. Now this next one, you have 5s, so you have to keep going. You don't ever say they're equal unless you go, all the numbers are equal. So the next number is 4 and then 9. Well, 4 is smaller than 9, so this whole thing is actually less than. And for this one, I've got to come out here and write it down a little bit because I didn't leave myself room. 53 needs to be 053 because if this has 3 digits, this one must have 3 digits. The only time you put a 0 in the front like this is if you're comparing the numbers. So you've got 3 and 0. 3 is bigger or larger than 0, so that's greater than.